First set, 25-16. Second set, 32-30. Patibayan ng dibdib. Mosey dun sa pangalawang set. And NU prevailing in that set. Eliza Valdez did her part. Kainglet did her part. Even Giselle Tan, who, you know, came alive and became steady towards the end. But really, Pablo, 12 points on 12 attacks. Santiago, 9 points, 7 attacks, 2 blocks. The two best scorers of the league right now are showing why.
That's right. We already thought Ateneo was finally going to get that second set, but because of those two athletes, those two girls that you just mentioned, Santiago and Pablo, that wasn't the case. And you, till the end, showed us a lot of character. Pablo just played so steady. And yung both coaches saying nagawa nyo ng paraan. And I think yung players ng NU ang nakagawa ng paraan to take the second set. Ateneo, on the other hand, showed a little better offense. In spite of Giselle C's setting, look at the attack points. Both teams having 16 attack points. So credit that a lot coming from Giselle C, yung sa mga magaganda niyang sets. No? That's why even the Lady Eagles had 16 attack points. But again, yung errors are too much for both squads, especially for Ateneo, because they gave the set to NU.
Well, if Ateneo intends to win fourth straight, they'll have to do it the hard way here, as Ella De Jesus is now in the game for the first time, and she's just overmatched there. And Pablo and Nepomuceno, sorry, that was Dadang and Pablo. Sorry, let me check that. Nepomuceno and Dadang combining for that block. 2 sets to none for National U. And Ateneo facing adversity, you can say for the first time this season, with the situation here, not only down 2 sets, but the 2-time best setter, and so far in the early season, according to the numbers, the best setter of the league, Jem Ferrer, may not return. We'll get an update a little later on with Selena Dagdag as we proceed into this third set. Let's check in with her right now.
Saan ang presence nyo on court? This was the question Coach Roger raised to Sage earlier in the huddle, and he was obviously very upset. Nagdagibaan na paminsan ang kailangan lang nilang gawin ay itapighang at ilaglag ang bola. Woman Mosey, just an update on Jem's condition. They said that there's no initial diagnosis yet, and to say whether she could play again today or not would need further observation, according to Sergio. Back to you, Boom.
Thank you very much. If you're Ateneo, you have to already play with the mindset that she's not coming back, Mosey.
Oh,
madali,
yes.
Madali lang yan pag bumalik siya eh.
That is correct. Yun na dapat ang isip nyo. Again, it's like adjusting. Pag ganun ang pag-iisip mo, nag-a-adjust na rin yung brain mo, di ba? To tell you that you really have to play it with Giselle all the way.
Now it's up to the other guys now. Valdez, Herbacio, Kainglet. Great dig there by Tan. Kainglet from the back row, too far.
Well, we've seen Phil Kainglet with that type of play.
Yes, we have before. In the meantime, let's check in with Apple David from National U.
It's quite evident how much the Lady Bulldogs are enjoying this game. Pero mukhang hindi lang sila ang nag-enjoy dahil pati si Coach Francis tuwang-tuwa sa performance ng NU. He only has few pointers going to the third and hopefully the last set of this game. First is for the girls to have a more synchronized blocking. Second is to limit their service errors. And lastly, to stay focused, to not relax, and stay composed. Huwag na nating hayaang mabawi ang patay ng Ateneo. Woman Mosey, mukhang magandang grade ng Lady Bulldogs si Coach Francis sa game na to because according to him, very good sila today. Boom.
Sorry about that, Apple. Thank you very much. Yun eh. Ito, when you have a 2-0 lead, first of all, Francis Vicente dancing at the sidelines never happened last year when they were 2-12. Never happened.
Mali yung music kasi.
Yeah, the music was not good last year for National University. So now, you know, he has every right to do that. But I was going to go back to Apple's point no, sa report niya. Ito, pagka ganyan lamang ang dalawa, dehado ang kalaban dahil wala yung setter nila, and they look demoralized too, talking about Ateneo. Right now, at least in the opening stages of this set, this is really up to you, win or lose. Sarili mo kalaban mo dito, kung mawala ka sa focus or not.
And if you are an elite team, yun ang
Yun.
gustong gawin ng NU,
Correct.
no? Yun ang gustong ma-achieve ng NU.
Yes.
You go for the kill.
Yes.
You grab this opportunity and go for the kill. But you are up against an elite team.
Yep.
Yung kaharap mo. So, definitely, you will get the challenge.
Because right now, you know, that kind of set, Mosey, you've played this game for so long, and I'm sure you've been on the winning side of a set like that, 32-30, and on the losing side of a set like that. If you're on the losing side of a set like that, there are only two things that can happen. It either pumps you up for the next one, na parang, okay, nandito tayo, kaya natin to, sukat na to, or it just takes the air out of the balloon.
Yep, that's
Diba?
right. So, again, mindset yan eh. But if you were at Ateneo, imagine, you were in the finals
Yes.
last season,
No,
dapat ang mindset mo yung una. Diba? Dapat forget that set, go on, it's a new set, and you have to keep in mind, you have to win this set to stay in this game.
Because as a finalist last year, and as a team that has been in the playoffs as a group, itong group na to many
it's
times
the
in the
same
last 4
group.
years, you've been there already, di ba, no?
A lot of times.
Miscommunication from Ateneo. They're down 1 point here. Salibad goes to Dindin Santiago. Rejected by Kainglet and Ho. Urdas, adjusting. Great dive by De Jesus. Salibad. Wrong set. Kainglet. Wrong rally again here. Urdas again. Oh!
Oh, Gretchen Ho mistiming that putback. And it was really a long rally. So siguro yung napagod na rin si Gretchen trying to hang in the air.
Credit goes to National University. They could have lost that second set.
Yes.
Right? Nung nag-take over na, nagkapalitan na ng set points.
That's why you saw the dancing.
Oo.
Kasi yun yung character that
Yun.
any coach, every coach, I mean, want to see in a team.
And dadalin mo yon sa mga ibang laro, no, Mosey? Na pag nangyari uli sa yon, pwede nyo sabihin sa isa't isa. Naalala mo ba yung Ateneo game? And right now, they're looking good with a 3-point lead as we head to our Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.